Porsche Formula E, experiencing the future of motorsport on the track. Are you ready to rev up with an electrifying new chapter in motorsport? Let's dive into the high-voltage thrill of Formula E and take a lap in Porsche's electric racing marvel. What is Formula E? Formula E isn't just racing. It's an all-electric spectacle where cutting-edge technology meets urban street circuits worldwide. Since its launch in 2014, this unique single-seater championship has created a buzz, showcasing racing cars that rely solely on electric power. The twist? Every car runs on standardized core components like the chassis, battery, and aerodynamics, making the races more about driver skill and team strategy than hardware advantage. This levels the playing field, making for intense close-quarters racing. However, despite its fast-paced, competitive nature, Formula E often faces mixed reviews. Some fans argue that its quiet electric powertrain takes away from the visceral thrill of traditional motorsports. But is this a fair critique? We decided to find out by taking Porsche's Gen 2 Formula E car for a spin at Circuit Mallorca, an exclusive experience, as this powerhouse has never been driven outside of the Porsche team. The power and speed of Porsche's Gen 2 Formula E car. The numbers might surprise you. Porsche's Gen 2 model, the 99X, isn't about mind-blowing horsepower like a Formula 1 beast, but it packs serious punch. With a 54 kWh control battery, crafted by McLaren Applied Technologies, producing a max of 335 bhp, this electric racer is built for acceleration and agility. Weighing in at 900 kilograms, including driver and a nearly 400 kilograms battery, the 99X rockets from 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 3 seconds and reaches a top speed of 174 miles per hour. While these figures might not rival Formula 1's S, the lightweight build makes for a thrilling ride that leaves many petrol-powered cars in the dust. Behind the wheel, the driving experience. Sliding into the 99X's cockpit is an instant reminder of single-seater adrenaline. The cockpit is snug, with a sturdy halo protecting the driver's head. It's an unusual but secure view that helps focus your mind on the track. And then there's the sound or lack thereof. Firing up the 99X, you don't get the roaring engine of an ICE, internal combustion engine car, but a steady electric hum that grows as the speed builds. The silence is deceptive. It almost makes the car seem more approachable. But that impression vanishes as you hit the throttle. This car has no traction control, so the rear wheels respond directly to your inputs, making every twist and turn feel thrillingly precise. On the straights, the 99X delivers a seamless surge of power, unlike anything in ICE racing. There's no need to shift gears. It's a smooth, relentless push forward that keeps surprising you. Braking into sharp hairpins is a dance of skill and physics, with powerful Brembo carbon brakes and instant regenerative braking. The front of the car feels anchored as you trail brake into corners, with low-end torque ready to slingshot you out. How does it feel? Driving the Porsche 99X is a physical, thrilling experience. While Formula E cars might look remote-controlled on TV, handling one reveals its demanding nature and the pure joy of driving a machine that responds so well to skill and control. The car feels like a high-powered electric go-kart, agile, responsive, and ready for the challenge. Final Thoughts Formula E is about more than speed. It's about showcasing electric technology and its potential in the thrilling world of motorsport. Porsche's 99X may not roar like a Formula 1 car, but it proves that electric racing can be just as exciting. With its razor-sharp handling and unique powertrain, the 99X provides a memorable drive that's worthy of motorsport's high-energy, competitive spirit. The challenge ahead for Formula E is to share this electric excitement with fans. These cars are engineering masterpieces that require skill, finesse, and strategy to master. With teams like Porsche pushing the envelope, Formula E is here to show that electrification and high-adrenaline racing can go hand in hand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with "Share your thoughts." If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up and share. See you next.